hope so. So what I'm trying to do is learn Godot 4. I'm going to do that by trying to remake games I like. This one's quite a simple game, but it's really fun, so I'm going to try and do this one. I'm only going to do an hour today, just messing about, just learning the engine, because it's a bit different from version 3. Hey Jack, chicken nugget. Jack, is my microphone alright? So we're going to get into it now. That's what I've got so far. It's just, oh, this isn't accurate because you'd actually use control pads. This is just following the mouse. So you do stuff like this. This is what the game actually looks like. So your player's always moving. And if you hit into the sides, you die. So I haven't even got a hitbox on my player yet. In fact, what I'm going to do next is just the asteroids, and when you hit the asteroids they explode. Doing a class which I'm going to inherit them from. Oh, brilliant. Thanks for that, Jack. I was a bit uncertain. I couldn't be bothered just checking over and over again. How are you doing, my friend, anyway? And we'll have this as an area 2D. Do I want an area 2D or not? Yeah, I want an area 2D, don't I? All good, your end. Good to it, mate. I'm thinking maybe tonight I might be having a game of what's it called again? Rocket League. Because I was getting into that the other night. So I've got an enemy class. What else do I need? Particles. Animated spray. I think that's about right. Possibly a script for it as well, don't I? Brilliant, mate. I'm not sure what time. I'm not 100% certain it's on as well. Hopefully I can play with my mate Tom if he's up for it later, but I don't know if he is going to be around or not. And if not, I'll just I'll play by myself. That sounds wrong when I say it out loud. So what I need. Yeah, we make one of these asteroids. And obviously you can then just blow them up, can't you? So, okay, let's make a small one. I mean, you don't have to be perfect. Oop. Hey, I've Vadex. I don't think I've spoke to you before. Not sure, mate. It's been a while since I've been on here. How you doing? Export as D for desktop. Where did I put it? I'm fine, bro. It's been a while. I remember watching you during COVID. Good to see you. Oh, wow. God, that was some time ago, wasn't it? Oh, God. I think I stopped streaming like 2020. So I've got Smart Asteroid in. I'm just going to see what it looks like compared to the player. Ah, it's way too small, isn't it? Can I not make it bigger? Ooh, what was that? Yeah, it's a bit better. I can deal with that. Something what happens with their asteroids is you can see like it's got like a ghosting effect that I like when it presses. I want to emulate that. I'm doing pretty good, mate. Yeah, I didn't have a PC back then, so I thought I should make something out of Godot. That's when I found it. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm doing alright. I'm doing better. This last year, 2024, wasn't a great year, but this year started off pretty good, and I'm pretty happy. I was messing. Oh, yeah, I forgot to attach it to this, didn't I? Tell you what, I'm noticing there's definitely speeds. It's much quicker, Godot 4. Move that out of the way. So what I want to do... need a script as well. Just base enemies. Oh, thanks, mate. It was, yeah. Man, it's loads new with Godot 4, but it's I'm kind of, for me, a lot of it is that I knew Godot 3 so well that they've moved everything around for the better, but because my brain's not used to it, I'm like, oh, like for example, I was trying to look for gravity on the particle effect, and I couldn't find it anywhere, and it's even the search weren't working. It's working now though. How do you do the circle? Oh, you mean the bullet circle? Like that. If it's that, what I'm doing is basically I'm firing out a bullet, but I'm adding rotation to it. So I'm saying to the bullet, wherever you're looking, go directly to there. So if that is constantly rotating, I've got the rotation quite fast at the moment, so I can change that in my bullet. So as you can see, it's gonna go to get the transform and go directly in that there. And then I'm basically just applying some rotation to it, and then in the player I'm just setting it. So for example, I can make this slower. I'm not really messing around with this too much because I get distracted. I mean, this will be alright, what am I doing again? Enemy. So I've got the enemy base class, I've got the script. Enemy scripts. And then basically what I'm going to do is drag them in, press control, so that way I can access them quite easily. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't, yeah, I'm alright messing with that. I can just be and then the because it can have shields as well. Script. Has my player even got? Yeah, my player's just. I've not done this that well. See, I should have done a character body with this instead. It would work the same anyway. Let's make an area CD. I remember you want your collision box to be smaller because you want the player to feel like they're not being cheated. Shiza. So all my enemy objects are going to be area. I'm just going to print it for now. Let's just have an asteroid on screen. To be honest, I could use a sprite instead of animated sprite, but I'm not gonna. Okay. The equation shape should be a circle. Once again, make the circle a little bit small. Have you tried that Unity or Unreal? Originally was Unity. I mean, to be honest, I was using game engines way before all that came out, but the recent ones I've done Unity. Messed around a little bit with Unreal, but for me, because I make mostly 2D games, Unreal's not really viable. Unity I struggled with because it uses units instead of pixels, and then I tried Godot after Game Maker. I thought it was going to be a kids application, you know, because the logo looks a little bit like Lego-y, and it ended up being a really good fit for me. I prefer Godot. I just like the node system. Everything's a scene. My brain likes it, but I wouldn't say one thing's better than another. It's just I prefer it. How about you? Have you tried any other game engines? Is it? Yeah, it's VEDAX. I'm terrible at reading. Right, save. Let's just put this in. Yeah, so it is getting it. It's weird, I've done it on the exit, haven't I? Whoops. Oops. Yeah, that'll be why. Wasn't making any sense to me then. You've tried oh, did you get on with Unreal? I know a lot of people really love the blueprint system, but I like it. It's probably the best one, you know, I've seen. But I feel like it's easy for me to read code, and it is that. It was pretty good for 3D, obviously, trying making some FPS on that, but things got pretty complicated after a while. Yeah. Is there like good tutorials out for it? Brilliant, okay, that works. And as I remember, these only go in one direction, right? It's up, down, left, right. Do they ever hit each other? Yeah, they do. Oh, okay, they are strictly up. Up, down, left, right, no problem. So I want to make then I want to extend enemy. Yeah, it's great, but to be honest with me, it's not viable in game working on it all. Yeah. Optimization was terrible, try fixing it, but then some other stuff got fucked up. Yeah, that's it. Reminds me of the memes of coding. Oh man. It takes like one small change and everything can go out the window, and all of a sudden you're like, well, what did I do? That's why, I don't know if you ever tried doing, what's it called? Where you save code on GitHub? Where's that shit? Source safe. So that way you can go, right, this version I've messed something up. I can't remember what, but you can always go back, so you can kind of undo the fuck up. And when I would fix something else would go. Yep. Yeah. To be honest, that's what it's like for me every single language I start to learn. I think I get it and then all of a sudden I mess it up. So the enemy's gonna have Well, this is an asteroid, so the asteroid's Pacific, so I don't need to worry about that. We have to just focus on direction. And then we need a direction, don't we? So I'm just going to explore farther. Just write by default. Let's see. Oh yeah, wait. It's on there, isn't it? Oh, that's why. Brilliant. And then speed. So I don't really need to export all these, just float. I mean, Python, but I'm gonna have teams that work. Yeah. So what do you reckon you would class yourself? Because obviously, I would say in a team, I'm definitely a coder. I'm crap with everything other than code, and even code I'm not like the best, but it's what I'm best at. I want this to go on the position plus equal. Oh bugger! It is this, isn't it? Yeah. Plus speed times delta. Getting that wrong. It's gonna go no, you can't do it. Speed. Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna let me to do that. Oh bugger, how do I do this again? I just wanna add direction. I mean, I'm gonna stick to web dev work instead of game dev because this is tiring. Yeah, to be honest, like a lot of people don't realize. I mean, I used to do software development, back end stuff, you know, like using SQL, and that stuff's a lot easier than game development in general. Like people think because games are fun, like they must be easy to make, and I mean, simple 2 games are easy to make, but if you want to do anything a little bit more complicated, it gets hard quick. To be honest, I am actually weirdly nervous. It's been so long since I've streamed. I can already feel my throat getting weird because I'm not used to talking so much. Right, position is not going to work that way. I guess speed could be substituted instead of direction. Yeah, I think it could, couldn't it? Oh. So if it wants to go right automatically. So would that work? Yeah. So if I press play, that should go to the right. Brilliant. So then I would... I really don't like how I'm doing that. Because this... I don't really need that anymore, do I? Speed. I know it's a really bad way of doing it, but... Oops. So if we go up, we minus. If we go left, we minus. Oh, even then that wouldn't work. And then it would be... Actually... No, it would work. So then I could just say speed... equals speed right. Oops. I've got to get in the habit of remembering that. Redoing everything alone is pretty tiring. Yeah, it is. I mean, to be honest, I'd love to have someone do art for me. I've got a friend who's decent at music, but he's not worked on games. I'm doing data science right now. Nice, man. Apart from algorithms and stuff, everything's pretty easy, and it fetches a fair amount of money as well. Yeah, it does. And I think, well, it's the future, mate. Also, I don't want to be like those other guys who just make stuff because they can. I wanted to make something that would actually run on other PCs as well. I wanted to make some fully fledged shooter, but it was easier done than said. Yeah, it certainly is. At least you bloody tried, though. A lot of people, they talk it, but they don't actually do the effort part. Doing it again. Obviously, when I would actually load this in, I would specify what it is in the actual like enemy loader. But right now, I just want to make sure. Great. And if I was to change that to left. Oh, you make music. Nice, mate. What kind of music are you into, bud? Ah, that was alright, innit? I'm gonna get rid of that horrible plane. I don't know what I was thinking. In fact, I'll just move it from the game. So I'd like... So I want to shoot that. Once it hits, explode it. It's going a bit fast as well. That's the thing I wonder if I can do instead as well. Let's just say 150 for this. You can't put them in already, can you? Is that going to work? I guess you can. It means when I get further in the game, I can make the speed value go a little bit faster, just to make the game a bit harder. And anything and everything, if you're down to make an original game of yours, don't forget. Yeah, man, that'd be amazing. I can provide you some music for you. That'd be cool. I mean, I don't know if you're in the Discord or not. Ooh. Oh, I do it again. Bloody hell, it's been so long since I played this. .8-bit to classical. Well, I mean, yeah, 8-bit right now would be probably my preference. Just what I'm working on. I mean, this game, in fairness, it's just me learning how to use Godot. That's what I'm doing as well. I want to hit that, explode it. So it's got explode particles. I probably shouldn't name that explode type particles. That's alright. I can have particles where it's going behind the enemy, because some of them do. Okay, what's that? Oh, Tom. Cool. Let me just link you up. I forgot how to do it, mate. Invite people, maybe it's that one. Is that gonna work? I'm really confused. hidden use copy button. I did. I'm going to be... Bear with me. Come on, it's taking its time. View channel. That should work. Where's the Discord server? I think this should work, buddy. Let me just check. If that doesn't work, I'm a bit lost. Hey Pixel, you right, buddy? It's weird because I've got people on Rungeon and Twitch, so it's hard to keep up. Yeah, the music's pretty decent, isn't it? It's Vandal Moon. Oh. These. I do like Live Forever. Right, so what have we got now? Yeah. Oh yeah, I wanted to make particles and call this one Explode. Explode particles. That should update. Yeah, brilliant. So this is where I'm going to get all tricked up. Oh no, some Vedix. I keep calling you Vad instead of Ved. Ah, brilliant. Yeah, also mate, feel free to advertise anything that you make, like music. It doesn't have to be game related as well, you know. I always encourage people to like advertise on there. It's a bit dead at the moment because I'm not really been using Discord that much, but hopefully get a good group of people again. What? Let's get on this. It's crying. Let's just go north and say 80. Velocity. Velocity. Is that what I want? I mean, I want it to be quite a big explosion. It should be one shot as well. So, yeah, I want it explosive. Maybe a bit more. This is the one I really like, this track, Pixel. Yeah, this is such a good song, I reckon. I will do Vedix, definitely, mate. Especially if you got any like 8-bit, I'm really down for that. Right, so we've got... Obviously, I don't like how it just pops out, so I could do some scaling. Where's the scale? That'll be display, won't it? In fact, I'm going to have it emitting just because. Yeah, that's better. Make that a bit bigger.
Oh, actually, I'm a bit of an idiot because I should have actually done this a separate entity. That's a bit dumb. Not a problem. I can save this at least. Just put it in FX. And then remove it. Oh yeah, you can't, you've got to do it from here. Oh, I didn't save, that's why. I know. No errors, we're good. Right. Speaking of effects, I need to make one. Are they all going the same speed? No, not very. I do like that. Oops. I was going to mess around with the alpha, but it's no point. We'll see. Might work. So you need to be wired as well. Kind of got tempted to make it so it's coloured as well. To be honest, I'm actually just going to leave it alone. So we want it to be one-shotted. 1 second. Where is it again? Shot. And once it's shot, then I want it to die. Cool. Let's make a pack scene here. In fact, because every enemy's gonna have it. Oh, I do make exports at the top. Boom, that's a bit annoying. That's like particles. Do I want that or do I want pack scene? It's pack scene. That way, in the air, asteroid. What's going on now? Yeah, I shouldn't make these exported, that was silly.
and then I want to do it when it gets hit. Area entered. Have I already done that? A stencil for them to show on your worktop. A friend of mine made a melody heavily inspired from Megavania, by the way. Just made something out of it. Oh, nice. Let me have a little gander at it, bud. You don't mind me playing it on stream now, I hope. Ooh, let me turn this down. Yeah, kind of goes with the game a bit. What did you make this in, mate? Explode particles. Oh, I remember how I was meant to do this. There's a way of doing it so I don't need to add a script to it. I'm gonna do it though. Oh, is that Fruity Loops? God, that's been a while. Hey, Captain, sorry, buddy, I just missed your message there. Hey, man, what's cooking here? In fact, Captain, you've kind of inspired me to do a spaceship game. That, and along with this as well. So, is this actually gonna kick? Oh, yeah. It won't do it because I have to do funk. Explode. Brilliant. This is sick, mate. That is wicked. So I want to make this thing explode. So have I just added it as well? Yep, so it's added. That is awesome. How long did it take you to make that? Right, what am I doing again? Draw, parts, particles. Equals, explode, parts, stop, instant, mid. And I'm just gonna get root. How do you get the root of the actual game? Is it get tree? Yeah. add child. Oh no. Damn it. In fact, okay. This is an ugly way of doing it, but I'm doing it. And then hops. I want it to be positioned where this is. Position. Equals self. Oh, just don't need a self. A day. God. I think I could work on something for a year, wouldn't get anything like that. I mean, to be fair, once this is not going to get rid of the asteroid, but it should cause an explosion. Oh no. In fact, I should have checked something there. Oh, but that's not going to work very well. Just turn the speed down a sec. So it's not hitting. Oh, because the bullet needs to have. Yeah, that would be why. To be honest, I've done the bullet absolutely terrible. I'll have to do that off stream because this should really be inherited. Anyway. Let's do a circle. Like so. Wait a minute. Oh, it's already got a body. I'm gonna just get rid of that. Alright, let's see if this works. Hey, how you doing? I don't know how to say your name, bud. Is it Zanique? How you doing anyway? Just get better with practice, nothing too... Well, yeah, I mean, it's like with everything, I guess, but it's amazingly impressive to me, mate. Oh, I kind of got it, but as you can see, it's not really where I wanted it to be. Is that because I've done it? Go position equals go position. That'd be why. Also, it looked quite small, the explosion. Yeah, I want the to be more pixelated than that. First, what I need to do is Q3. Yeah, I think because it's so small, it's a bit jarring. Right, scale, scale, scale. I mean, should you do it in this? More chunky particles, I totally agree, mate. I tell you what, I'm so lost in the particle system now. I used to be really good at this. Well, you know, just knowing where things are. So I'm cool with that. We've got the scale here. I'm gonna say 3. Oops. Actually, yeah, some particles could be a bit bigger, I wouldn't mind that. See. Better. Will it hit these? Yeah. Also, won't mind those particles if they glowed a bit. If you ever consider making a 2D story-driven emotional game, I've got some amazing stuff in the stash. Cool. To be fair, mate, I don't think I've ever made a game with a story in it. Right, I wanted to make them glow a tiny bit. Might be going a bit overboard or something. Oh, do I need to do modulate? Nope. Yeah, I don't hate that. I'll have to mess around with the glow and stuff, but I really want to get stuff working at the moment. So I kind of like need an enemy maker. Oh, a game manager really. I'll make it as a node. I want to save this as well. Yeah, it's been a while since I've used particle systems and was confused with the new one, but technically they are new improvements. Oh yeah, definitely improved. Oh, thanks for... You're gonna have to be out with your name, buddy. I think it's Sneak. Like sneaky. Oh, I was gonna say, Captain Ghost, if you moved over, I think you're still in 3.5, right? Or did you move over? Cool, thanks, mate. To Vidix. So I've got a game manager. Oh, this is going to be a bit difficult. Because initially... Let's put a timer on. Actually, I don't really want a game manager, I want an enemy manager. Where's my manager? Yep. Manga. I mean, I also have to have it like the game where you use the control pad or the keyboard, you don't actually use the mouse. No, I moved over release of 4, alright. Are you using any like glow effects in your game, Captain? Also, do you mind if I show people on stream what you're working on? Am I being silly? Where's... It's project... Globals, wow. Can't remember if I just put it in the script as is. Let's just... Well, actually no, because I'm going to need a timer on it. Start, and let's just say every 4 seconds. Just for this, I'm say Prince. Actually, I should have made that a lot quicker.
So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I actually need to have the node, not the actual script, which should work the same. Yeah, okay. Oh, look at that, it's just dodging. Just didn't move until 4 was beta. Stuff in the past is just slow pace. I'll try it out anyway, buddy. I don't mind as far as the glow. It was nerfed to basic overall glow. Yeah. So you got kind of got a bloom thing going on. Cool, let me check it out. Oh, this is motion. I think I can find what you work on. It should be. There you are. This, yeah, I can't go over how sick that looks. Oh yeah, should I screen shake? I might actually do that in this. Well, not this stream, but maybe next stream I'll work on screen shake. How have you done the lightning? I saw lightning, didn't I? Yeah. How did you do that lightning? Man, this is wicked, bud. Yeah, FedEx, I'm hoping we can get the Captain Ghost back working on it, but he says it takes him some time to do it, but I think you've got something pretty good there, mate. So I could do a pack scene list, or not, or just... So, for the asteroids, according to the game, it's coming up, down, left, right, and those come in. Sometimes, as you can see, you get like a little tell when you come in. But I'd imagine as you go further into the game, the harder enemies appear, and more often as well. This is really cool. I think this would also go really well with like a puzzle game as well. Because I wanted to work on a match 3 game quite a while ago to do with growing plants. This music would have worked perfect with it. Oh, I like the slowdown at the end. Hey, Jack. Well, I did it. I said I was going to stream for an hour, so I managed it. I'm going to do a little bit more and then get off. Just doing baby steps at the moment. Oh, mate, I love Celeste. Never completed it, though. No, that was pretty beautiful, man. Yeah, I like that little tinkle at the end. Sweet. Oh, any music for Spotify anyone wants to listen to, just give me a shout. I could try viewport window project instead of canvas item, will be more pixelated. Oh! Man.
I will have to mess around with that off stream, but that's a good idea. I need to just make a note of that. Report rendering for project pixelated. Nice one. So in this one, I just want to like spawn some random asteroids, just something to shoot at. Also, I need a player death, and I think I'll be happy with that for today. Oops, what am I doing? Small A. Equals. Yes, this is part about learning. Is I know how to do it previously, but I forgot it all. Like, you know, like to randomize it based on the size of your screen. So I'm gonna just say small A. To be honest, it won't really mind. I could just add it here. Just so I know it's definitely working. And there should be one spawning like every... There it is. Oh, I'm an idiot. Because all it's doing is saying if there's another area hitting me, then I die. So the asteroids technically hit into each other. Balls. So I don't really want to use asteroid things. I want it to be on bullet. Where's bullet? That's the name bullet. So I guess I could get whatever's hitting it and see if the parent is a bullet. So type of bullet. If dot get parent equals bullet, then explode. I hope this works. Oh, damn it. So what is there's the area, that's a bullet. Damn it. Man, I really want to get into what to do to, yeah man, 2.5D game, I know what you mean. I like isometric as well, stuff kind of music. Or maybe something like that. I know, man, I always forget how to do stuff like 100 times. Yeah, jumping around at a spike to Godot. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong with that, because I thought that should have worked. We'll see. Let me just put a little... Cool. Oh, this doesn't really give me much. To get the parent of it. So if I shoot one before it... So it says there, bullet. Oh, unless I don't... Yeah, I'd like... Wait, did that work then? It says bullet. Weird. Well, I gotta go. Not a problem, mate. I'm gonna go sue myself. I'm gonna try and get this little thing working, and then get some food down me. Anyway, it's nice speaking to you, mate, and thanks for joining. What? Let's go and try and do this. I mean, I don't really want to do it by name. Tom. Let me stop spawning that thing for now. Where's admin manager. So it says bullet. That's no 2D. I mean, if I keep shooting it, yeah, because it changes its name as well, so it's not like I can just use its name. Oh, I know what I can do. God, it's been so long. Come on, bullet. Add it to a group then. How do you do the group thing? Used to be here, didn't it? Oh, there you are. What? What's the difference? Does it matter if it's global or not? Actually, I could do it on this. And then I've got to check if it's groups are done. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to do some tutorials to get better at this. Went from making tutorials to needing them. Right, so how can I say area.get group? It is in group, and then it would be called budget. Try that. Oh. I don't know if I went because I hit into it. Nope, that's well, it worked. Let's just hope it maintains working. I've got too much stuff open. I think that's kind of getting away. It's a bit. Close all of the tabs. Control K. Should it spawn? Should it be? Yeah, that's fine. Brilliant. So what I want to do really is do a random. So randi range 0 to. Is it viewport? Do you know how to like get your window size? Or is it? I'm gonna just have a look online how to do it. So Godot for how to get screen size. Okay. Apparently a display server. Okay. Dot screen get size. Oh. I mean, is that right? Games I always make when learning a new game engine. Astro is brilliant. Super Mario level or 2, yeah. Bomberman. Oh, that's a great idea, Bomberman. I think out of all of them though, Vampire Survivors would be a game I'd love to try to make. what I'm going to do is not really turn this into a series. I'm just going to do it, so I'm going to keep on learning Godot because I'm really lost with it at the moment, and just keep like upping the difficulty levels. Like I think Vampire Survivors would be actually easier than Super Bomberman, Bomberman even. But yeah, Vampire Survivors is, I mean, I love the game as well. Am I getting this right? Return to screen size and pixels. Process gets screen position. No, that's right. I don't know what do I have to put this in? Let's see if this will work. Oh, it's an ugly way of doing it. Also, how do you... I mean, does that work? Ugh. Okay. Maybe I should print it. Oh. I mean, it's getting my full screen, it's not actually getting the window application size, is it? Oh man. If you can make asteroids, you can make Vampire Survivors and 9% of stuff is similar cool. I've made asteroids before, weirdly enough, once again, as a learning project, but it was for Game Maker. So this is getting my actual screen size, not my application size. So game window size is what I wanted. How do we get window size? Get screen size. Is that what I was to put in? Apparently this. Oh man, I'm a bit lost here. Someone says get viewport size. It's not there though. Oh, yep, that'd be right. It didn't come up in IntelliSense, that's why I was a bit confused, but that's alright. Position. Oh. Position equals 2. Random range from 0 to get the port size like X, and then same again for Y. And hopefully this should all be within inside the actual window now. I mean, to be honest, this code's going to be totally wasted. It's just to get some stuff on screen and to learn how to do it. So what else could I do as well? So I'm going to do a random eye range again. var. Yeah, I should have done this in an array, because that's fine. I'm just going to say D
do 3. If D equals 0. Yeah, this is going to be a bit long-winded way of doing it, but then it's going to be equals small a, right. If equals 1 and last one. Yeah, this could have been well easy if I just put this into an array and pick from that. Not a problem though. Must be why. Oh yeah, and I also need the speed to actually be working as well. Let's just say 150 for the sake of it. Okay, that's all going. No, they're not. Not a thing going up and down though, so what am I doing wrong? Is it because I've not done it? Right. Oh yeah, that's why. Oops. There we go. It's harder than the other game. I think my bullet's just dead small as well. I mean, to be honest, that's pretty much what I wanted to do for today on stream at least. I mean, really they're meant to be coming off screen with a little indicator, and if you hit the screen as well, that's what I'll do next time, you should explode. And this should always be moving as well, so that shouldn't happen. Also, my player doesn't die when they get hit, but right now, it's easy enough to do. Cool. Anyway, if anyone's on the stream, I can't tell, I've not really been looking other than the chat, but thanks for dropping in, and I'll see you soon. Take care.